Changing LLC name in New York. In today's video, you are going to learn how to change LLC name in New York. So let's get started. First, check name availability. Use New York's business entity search to make sure your new LLC name is available and includes a proper ending like LLC. Then complete the required form. Fill out Form 2120, that is Certificate of Amendment, name change only. Enter your current LLC name, formation date, and the new name you want. Then move to step number 3, request a stamped copy. If you need an official stamped copy for banks or the IRS, includes a $5 fee and the request for copies form. Now, step number 4, mail your documents, send Form 2120, your payment check or credit card authorization, and the copies request to NY Department of State on their mentioned address. Then step number 5, update your business records. Once approved, update your new LLC name with IRS to link with your EIN, New York Department of Taxation and Finance, business bank accounts, credit cards, license, and permits. Also updates your website, contracts, invoices, and operating agreement. And that's how you will be able to change LLC name in New York.